Working with Green Bay in the future would be an absolute. It was a fantastic experience working with Alon as project manager. So the original meeting with Green Bay went really well. We had been talking with a couple other companies, and what really stood out about Green Bay when we spoke to Alon and Elad originally was how friendly and welcoming they were, answered all our questions, and the communication style was really wonderful. They were open to answering any and all of our questions at any time of the day, and that's why we chose them.
Yeah, the project management with Alon in Green Bay was excellent. We really enjoyed working with Alon throughout the project, and he was always on top of things, very proactive, and we honestly just used our text messages because that's what we wanted to use, and much easier to kind of just stay in sync that way. The software, we didn't use the communication stuff that much with it, but we did use it for scope increases and making sure that we were on the same page about what had changed with the project and project updates in terms of like uploading photos and that kind of stuff. So from a project management standpoint, we had zero complaints. It was excellent.
Loved his communication style and how the company was just really on top of all our needs. Would absolutely recommend to family and friends and look forward to working with them in the future.